I don't think like a year could pass without me having this breakthrough for the things that I've dreamed. Laughter. Laughter really represents happiness, joy. Like you were laughing. So today we got this market up ahead and it's nice. So this it's our first thing is say identify the trend, right? So my strategy says that I should identify my trend. First of all, where are we? So you can see that price has been creating an higher high from this point, a higher low, another higher high, and another higher low, and then it shifted. Price started to shift the market structure from being creating a higher high to a higher high, and higher low, and so on. So as you can see from here, since I've identified my trend, you can see that trend is changed from uptrend to some sort of a downtrend because it has created a lower uh, a lower low, a lower low, and a lower high, and it decided to create a lower low and then a lower high and then a lower low, and then it created another lower high, which is equivalent uh from here, right? So as you can continue, try to identify where the market is going. So the next thing we go down to, don't really go down to another time frame, but just make it from this point. Next, identify whether it's a continuation of a downtrend or an uptrend. So from where I am right here, it's very little bit of confusing. So if the market is continuing to sell in the downtrend, since it has already broken the structure and closed below it, so you consider that price is gonna continue to sell from this area to this area, right? To this area, and then from this area is gonna go up again. It's gonna try to retrace until to this area. It's either this area is gonna be broken or the price is just gonna continue to go to the downside. So as I was saying, that it will come to this area and reverse to show that okay, it's going to the downside. So this will be happening in the lower time frame, right? So you want to be in a trade ASAP, like today. So what we could do, you can see that since this price is creating, it is breaking this area, which is this support, which is now becoming a resistance. So you can clearly see that price is broken the structure and now is following to this lower low. So if we do, which you're not supposed to be doing right now, but we have identified our first trend, which is a continuation into the downside, and then we look for the next counter trend where price is likely or is going to have a support in this perspective. So we mark the price and check to our left side, which is the area if it's going trying to break, it's gonna have hard time. So it's this area, right? So this will consider our area of support to this area, right? So there we go. So now we have to spot our what? We have to spot our major places or major area. So right there we're just spotting like latest area that has been broken. So there we go. So how do we identify whether our level is strong level, and there's whether our level is a strong level? So to identify is that it has caused a major move and then it has been tested multiple times, right? So right here we have this area. As you can see, this area, if I try to to also put this area has caused a major move, right? And then it has been tested multiple times from 1, 2, 3, 4 times. This area right here, which is our support, and our support is been tested multiple times. So we have to scale down to a lower time frame. So from here we have to go to like into this area right here, ne? Into this area. We have to go down to a lower time frame, which is to spot some good trades. Let me add. So I'll say have to go to the lower time frame, right? To a lower time frame, which could be our 50 minutes and our 5 minutes. Possibly it could be our 5 minutes, right? So good. Let me change the background for my, just to be plain, and then once 20. Good. So you can see, as I stated, this area right here, we are focusing it just to go to a lower time frame. From here we identify our most area that has been tested, and it has been tested multiple times, right? So right here, if we scroll and zoom clearly, we have this area. It has been tested multiple times, and also we have this area. Just to get it right, and you have this area. Oh. And you have this area right here. So from now on to a lower time frame, what I'll be expecting the price is to, I'm just like really so you can see that we do have our area of value, or our major area, or our interesting area, whatever you call it. That price is gonna come. You can see that price created a higher high, low, and a higher high, and then it is broken to this area. So possibly the price, it can come and retest this area and go down, but in a lower time frame. So you can see this, we have this structure, right? We do have this structure, you see. So what we're looking for is to sell, and then after that, let's go try to find a trade that's gonna sell, and then we're gonna try to find another area to buy. You see, reasons to buy, or like opposing strategy, like opposing of the sell. Okay, so let's just hide it. No. Undo, and then let's go to our 1 hour. Nah, not a 1 hour, but clearly you can see that price has done what we are looking for, right? Right here. And also, let me show you something. If I'm about to include an order block, ne, We have an order block right here in this area. Just let me show you a rectangle, a demand order block, and it's a valid order block. How do I say like it's a valid order block? One, you can see that you have insufficiency, price gap, or we have a gap in this area, right? So clearly you can see that we have insufficiency. And as we scale down to a lower time frame, so clearly we're gonna be in a trend soon. Just be patient. As you can see, price has done what? It has created a higher, another lower low to a down to a lower time frame, which is my 1 minute. I mean my 1 hour. As we can see from this area, is an area that is valuable and has been tested multiple times. That's why we also have an order block. So meaning here we're gonna have a lot of buy limit. And then you can see from here, it has been tested 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 5 if I'm able to include this one, because if you go to a lower time frame, you're gonna see that here we have some candlestick or candle patterns from that point. So we are looking to be in a trade, and then we go to there we go. So now we shall wait. What do I wait for? As you can see, all my condition has been met. My condition are met. Condition check. And then after that, what do we look for? So right now, what I'm looking for in this time frame is in area of where I'm gonna enter my trade, or an area where I'll not where I will buy, but like where I will sell, right? So my area that I will sell is gonna be into this area. Should I delete? No, I wanna just hide it. So clearly you can see. Let me put this one so I can show before and after, right? So where's my horizontal? And then horizontal, vertical, man. And then template. Oh, never write it before. I just say before. Yes. Before. 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 So that is before, and I want to save it as before. Capital letter B. Before. Before. As you can see right here is before my price, or before things happen. Right here, it's written right here before. Okay, so clearly what we're looking for is price to do its own thing, for me to wait. So what are we waiting for? What I'm waiting for, since price has created this one, I'm waiting for price to come and create another some sort of a pattern, which could be like a double top, double bottom, no, double top, engulfing candle, shooting star, right? So from this area, you'll be looking for another to enter a trade until to this area. Until to this area. You see? So I'll be looking to be in a trade until price come to this area, right? So right now, what do? I wait. I wait for price to create that some sort of a pattern. You can see we wait. So as we wait, let me just be identify um where price is likely to reverse to after it has broken the structure. There we go. See, price is in a higher time frame, right? You can see that price is broken this through this structure, ne? But as I scale down to a lower time frame, like my 1 hour, you can see that there's a role reversal, support turn to resistance. So what we're waiting for again is to price to come and test this area right here. So I'll just put it like this way, and I'll say area has to be tested. uh, area 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 where price has to test. Yeah, this is the area that this area is where I'm expecting price to come and test. So as you can see also clearly that we do also have what some sort of an order block or structure template supply. No, supply. Did I damn. Okay, let me just change this thing just to text is ob supply. So what we're waiting for right now is just to price to come in and test this area before it goes down actually. So what we're waiting for is some sort of double top, shooting star, and then engulfing candlestick. So as you can see, we're waiting for price to come back into this area, and after that to this area. So you can see right now I've identified my order block right here. Nice one. And then remember that order blocks, you have to identify them at the higher time frame, not at the lower time frame, because trade like these being big banks, they don't usually come and trade the lower time frame. Okay, they don't scalp. And also role reversal also apply. Also here you can see that area what price has created has breaking the structure which it was previously a support, and then it they have to come and retest this structure or retest this place, this that area, the area, man, not that place but the area. So this is where I might reconsider just to come and grab my kitchens or my profit, because I don't know what price could do. So okay, that's nice. That is for Euro USD sell on 24, no, 29 May 2024. Yeah, there we go. Today I'm about to reveal what happened yesterday, and I got knocked off out of the trade. Like for real. For real, like being for real. I got knocked off out of the trade. Right here. Let me show you really well. Right here. I was in this trade from this position, okay, and I was looking for it to go down. But instead, I got stopped out, you know. So I go to a lower time frame, which I was trading in my 5 minutes time frame. I got what? This is what I got. This. This is what happened. I got stopped out, and price just continued to go into that position, like into that level, like it, and it even go beyond that what happened yesterday. And they say in trading you learn by experience. So I'm looking forward to learn. So it was yesterday for the day two. Yeah, let me say it like that way. So today things changed. Still USD, but looking to trade another one. The same strategy, same rules. So that's it that I wanted to report about yesterday trade. That I got stopped out because of this, and what I should have waited. The price was in this area, and I can be involved into this area. I should have waited for retracement, something like this. As we can, what the price has done here, it retraced back again, back to the entry point or entry level that I had right here, and it went back. Look at that. Look how beautiful is it. But what did I do? I just entered because prices closed below. I've seen a candle stayed in 5 minutes time frame and decided to enter because prices closed below. But was a dumb thing to do. So yeah, damn.